This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights to the router or the device that stores the Wi-Fi credentials. Without access, you can't extract the QR. Next, locate the SSID, encryption type such as WPA2 or WPA3, and the exact network password. Copy it exactly because case matters. Once done, decide whether you need a high-resolution PNG or a printable PDF. That determines the generation tool you'll use. Make sure the device used to create the code has correct time and locale settings. You now generate the QR using the Wi-Fi schema string, Wi-Fi S, SSID, T, WPA, WEP, NOPS, P, password. Paste exact values into a reputable generator or local tool to avoid exposing credentials to unknown servers. Set error correction to M or Q so the code survives printing or slight damage, and pick an image size that matches your use. At least 1000 px for posters, 300 px for screens. After generation, visually verify the code and label it with SSID for clarity. You finish by testing the QR on both Android and iOS devices to confirm automatic network join behavior. This catches platform differences. Export the graphic as a PNG or JPEG for digital use, or save a 300 dpi PDF for printing. Include the plaintext SSID nearby as a fallback. If scanning fails, recheck the SSID, password, and encryption type in the Wi-Fi string and ensure no stray characters or spaces. Regenerate with higher error correction and retest. This usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.